Welcome to Heybridge Maths. This is the introductory video to go with the remote learning overview sheet on NP9, which is on estimation and use of a calculator. Now, this unit follows on very closely from NP1, which was on place value. You should have in front of you the copy of the overview sheet for this module that your teacher should have assigned to you on Frog. Your teacher will have told you which specific work to complete from the unit. For example, if I'd been asked to do Objective 1, which is to know how to find the answers to families of related calculations, the first thing I would need to do is to watch the Corbett video, which is listed here. The second thing is then to complete the questions in my maths books, and the third thing is to complete the Hegarty tasks, which are given here. As you complete each of these, tick them off so you know that you've done them. Your teacher will be asking you to upload evidence that you have completed this work on Frog. I'm now going to give you a very quick overview of the work that you'll be learning in this unit. So, Objective 1, to know how to find the answers to families of related calculations. This is really clever. If I know, or I'm told, that 96 times 321 is equal to 30,816, I can use that and no calculator to work out all of the answers to the calculations below. Objective 2 is to know how to represent inequalities on a number line. Now, you did work on inequalities in NP1 and you looked at the inequality symbols. We're now extending that to know what it looks like on an inequality line, so on a number line. You'll do a lot more work on inequalities in A7. Objectives 3 and 4 are looking at writing error intervals of rounded numbers and also truncated numbers. You will use this in NP13, which is an advanced number. Objective 5 is to know how to approximate answers to calculations. We aren't always interested in the exact answer, so sometimes we approximate in order to get a rough answer, so what's roughly like, rough size of it. For example, I can use the techniques, or you can use the techniques you'll learn in Objective 5 in order to work out a rough answer to 5.203 times 2.87 all divided by 0.19, so without having to pick up a calculator at all. Now, this technique is really useful for quite a lot of the questions that you'll see on Maths Challenge, for example, the question below. Objective 6 is to know how to use a calculator accurately. Now, you would have used calculator for a few things, but there's an awful lot of keys on these scientific calculators. Do you know what they all stand for? You'll learn about a number of those in Objective 6. Objective 7 is to know how to use a timetable. Now, timetables are used for trains, like my example here, and for buses, for ferries, often if you're abroad or in this country. So it's important, if you're looking at a timetable, that you actually understand what it means, how long it's going to take you to get to where you want to go. You're also, Objective 8 is to know how to solve time problems. There is a special key on the calculator which helps with time. You probably would have learnt it in Objective 6. I hope you enjoy working through NP9. Remember, if you have any questions at all, make sure you email your teacher and ask for help. Thank you.